Shah Mohammad Abdullah. I am sorry. I passed this exam, MRCS Part A, with the guidance of Dr. Rida Harbi and his excellent team. It was a very, very precise and excellent course that really guided me to the success. I passed the exam with 89%. It was really unbelievable for me because I never thought of this high mark, but it was made possible only by the proper guidance and time to time guidance by Dr. Rida and his team. And I'm really grateful to him too much, and I feel really happy about it that I met him somehow, and then I was enrolled in the course. So one thing very precise about the course is what I liked about the course is the material and the particular guidance of what to do and when really to do about it. And the other thing that I really liked about the course is the 24 hours availability. Anything I was stuck about, or sometimes I was feeling lost, or every time I knocked, or sometimes they themselves knocked me, Dr. Shah, how you are doing? Are you doing well, or do you need any help? So all these things put together, it makes a lot, and it means a lot to me. And I really dedicate my success to Dr. Rida, especially Dr. Rida, his team, and him also, and especially him. Thank you very much. I wish you everyone a good success, and more than me. All right. Thank you very much.